Look at this spot. This is literally so freaking beautiful. Guys, we are out here today in Alabama. I'm with my boy Fletcher right here.
What's going on,
and we
guys?
actually just found the juiciest spot I've ever seen in my life. This place is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, give you a sneak peek of what this place looks like. So this place is kind of hard to tell on camera, but this is a crystal clear creek or mini river. Here, let's go ahead and get a look through the glasses if we can do that. I don't know, is that gonna work? Oh my goodness, there we go, got the polarized glasses. You can see how clear this place is, but this is gonna be a crazy place. I'm hoping that we can catch some spotted bass in here, maybe some largemouth. We are in Alabama. I'm not really sure what's gonna be in here. What do you think, Fletcher?
I think there's gonna be some spots, maybe some largemouth. We might catch some panfish too if we have some small enough baits. We're just gonna have to kind of see what I got in my box. Maybe a Ned rig or something like that. Some crankbaits, maybe a spinner bait. What else? You got anything else that you think you might want to try today?
I'm thinking that a crankbait's probably gonna be money today. Maybe a jig. I fish a lot of stuff like this at my house. I'm not sure if all of you guys have seen my creek videos before, but I have done a lot of creek videos and creeks exactly like this. Maybe not as much current and maybe not as clear, but very, very similar. So I'm definitely thinking a crankbait and a jig are gonna be the top two lures today.
There's one swimming right there.
No way.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, right there.
He literally sees a fish right there.
We gotta go get the rods, man.
Oh my gosh, we gotta go get the rods.
Let's
go ahead and get fishing. My last cast with the chatterbait. I'm gonna start throwing the jig around.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to the Ned rig.
I think green might be the color today too. It's so clear. Maybe the white is just too bright for them.
Yeah.
Because you know, I doubt they're eating shad in here. They're probably eating bluegill and crawfish and stuff. So probably that little green jig is probably gonna be the best option. Oh, dude, I just had a bite. Really? Yeah, on the jig. Yeah, that had to be a fish. Yo. Oh my gosh. I got one. I got one. Oh, I got one. Woo!
There you go.
Yeah. Bro, I don't know why that guy's yelling down there, but he is yelling. Bro, I caught a spot. That's a spot, dude. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on. I'm on the phone with Noah. Noah, FaceTime me. Oh, look at that.
Dude, that's a thick fish.
Bro, look, I caught a spot, dude.
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
Yo, we're on our way. We're coming.
Bro, we caught one.
On the jig.
Yeah, dude, that's a good, healthy one.
Alright, we're on our way, bro.
All right, boys. All right, boys. See you in a little bit. All right, peace. Bye.
That's a
Bro,
fat
bro,
fish.
do you have the scale with you, bro? Or is it in the truck? Okay, well, we definitely need to grab it. We'll go ahead and put this guy back. I think he's about a pound,
Give me a grab
pound
it.
and a half.
I'll go grab it.
You can if you can get up there quick enough. Guys, I don't really catch spots very often, so I kind of want to get a weight on this guy. I've caught one about 3 pounds. That is such a beautiful fish. I haven't caught a spot in so long. We're out here in Alabama, Bassmaster Classic. First fish I've caught in Alabama in probably about a year. That is so awesome though. He ate the jig. I was calling Noah, or actually Noah was calling me. I just answered the phone and that fish ate it. That is so awesome. Such a beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. I think he might be a pound and a half. Bro, he's fat. Look at that, 181. That's almost a 2-pound spot, dude.
That's a thick boy.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
That's not bad at all. Heck yeah, dude. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Beautiful fish though. Nice 2-pound spot. Absolutely beautiful.
Put it back.
Beautiful creek spot.
There he goes.
What is that? Crankbait? Yeah, let me throw it for a little bit. I'm gonna throw my jig. I don't even know where I put it down at, but I'll put it down somewhere. Fletcher's letting me throw his crankbait. I think I can catch one on this thing. I got one. Yeah, good one too. In the current.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, he is so strong.
Oh my, he's tugging. He's really tugging. Oh,
Bro, that's a good one, dude.
bro,
I gotta get him in though. Oh my gosh.
bro, that's like a 3-pounder.
Bro, that's a huge spot.
Oh my gosh. Come here, please don't come on. Oh, stop it. Oh, we got it.
Look at that! Look at that fatty!
Current, oh my gosh. That is such a healthy spot. And look at where he's hooked. Right on the outside of the face. He swiped at it. I couldn't even see it very good because I caught him right in the middle of all that current. That is crazy. Oh my god.
Was that your first cast?
No, he was like my 3rd or 4th cast.
Dang!
Oh my gosh.
Nice, give me some.
Bro, we gotta get over here, get some pliers or something.
Okay, I got pliers. Literally just spent like 5 minutes casting the same spot.
Seriously, and then I just come up and I just catch one.
I guess you just got the touch, ADUB.
I guess I do, I just had the magic touch. This one is definitely 2.5. 2.60.
That's a tank.
2.60. That is not bad, especially for a little creek. A big old spotopotamus right there. Look at that. Look at this baby. Beautiful, beautiful creek fish. Doesn't get any better than that. Smoked the crankbait. Awesome fight. Absolutely crazy. That thing has to catch one. Are you hung? Got him.
Got one?
Got him.
Stuck him. On the jig.
Got one on the jig.
Yeah, he can work it.
Dude, that is so freaking cool. Look at this clear water. Oh my gosh. That's so awesome. Definitely not a big one at all. My smallest one so far today, but it's still a beautiful bass. Nice little spotopotamus right there. Super healthy guy. Only about a pound, but that's number 2 on the jig today. Two on the the jig, one on the crankbait. That one was a little bit farther down. This current is pushing all of the bait and everything down, and that's where he hit it at. It makes sense.
I figured there would be some more kind of hanging out there in that deep area.
Yeah, I mean, when he hit me, it slammed me. I threw over here on this rock. I just let my bait just keep drifting down. I felt him eat it, and he was on there.
You got one? Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Acrobatic show right here.
Yes, sir. Oh. Oh no.
There he goes. I can see him. I was playing with him for too long. Dang it. Another one on the jig. We just, what was that, second cast? Like we literally just got here. I was playing with him too long. I should have hopped him up in here, but that was a beautiful spot. Probably about a 2-pounder, so I'm kind of upset about that, but what can you do? We had him hooked, so I guess it halfway counts.